I think it is very important since the World Cup is going to be played in this part of the world exactly a year later. So, in terms of preparation, it's going to be good for us to see where we stand as a team in terms of our combination and what sort of targets are going to be available for us. We've seen in the recent series that England played against Australia were really high-scoring games that were played. So yes, in terms of where we stand as a team, it's going to be crucial in that aspect to see where we are and what we need to do as a team moving forward. I think in terms of ODI cricket, in the last year or so, we've played some good cricket in and out of India. And this tour brings another challenge for us and see where we stand as a team more importantly. Oh yeah, he definitely is a very attacking option anywhere we play. It's just that it was unfortunate that he missed out on the last game because it entirely depends on the captain and the coach, what they're comfortable, especially the captain, what he is comfortable with, going with his combination. So he gives us that attacking options in this 50-over format. It's a little longer format compared to T20. So, he will be bowling 10 overs. Hopefully he can extract some turn and bounce and, trouble the English batsmen, which he's done in South Africa to South African batsmen recently. So, yes, that middle overs, as we know, are very crucial in terms of where the opposition go in terms of scoring runs. So it is important to put breaks in the middle overs, and these two guys, Chahal and Kuldeep, both give us that option, wicket taking options in the middle and try and put breaks on the scoring area, scoring run rate. Yeah, look, yes, absolutely. I think when you're playing on pitches like that, you want to bat second preferably, and this team likes chasing down targets in the past. We've done that, so I think this team prefers to chase. But any which way, toss is not in your control. So whatever we do, we don't go out and bat like we have to score 400 runs. You just bat normally and see where, you are at the end of 30 overs, and then analyze thereafter and see what score you can put on. But yes, having said that, we've noticed the last series that they played here. It was, like I said, it was high-scoring games. And this very ground was, where they scored 480 runs. So again, I'm expecting nothing else but an high-scoring, series as well, even here now. But for us as a team, it's always nice to see the score in front of you and then see how you can bat. I'm sure English guys will prefer the same, to have score in front of them, which we have seen in this recently T20 series. Teams like to chase now wherever they play. They like to see the score and bat accordingly and move around their batsmen in the middle order and things like that. So it is important. I think every team has their own strategy, and so I think they would like to stick to that. For us, I think we've been put into a situation where we have to post a target, and we have posted a target and then defended later on, and we have chased down target as well. For us, batting first, bowling first doesn't matter. We just have to come out and play good cricket. England team is a very good team. They have recently, shown us how good they are, number one ranked team. And it's not going to be that easy for us to come out and snatch a victory. So we have to be at our best, and hopefully everything clicks together. That will give us the result that we want. Yeah, see, speaking of Rahul batting at 3 or 4, I don't know actually where he's going to bat in the ODIs. Certainly, he's been in a great form. So we got to see tomorrow where actually he bats. But it'll be at number 3 or 4. I don't know where captain wants to bat. That is the most important question there. But again, I think he's a quality player. Wherever he bats, he will make an impact. That's for sure. And I'm sure he's looking forward for this opportunity, because it's been a long time waiting for him. Because he certainly wants to make a comeback into the ODI team, and he wants to make an impact. and we've seen how good he is batting recently. So of course he will be eager to go out there in the middle and make an impact. I see Bhuvi obviously has come here to train, so he's going to see how the net session goes for him. He's going to try and bowl and see how he feels. Obviously, the physio and the captain and everybody will take the call later once he finishes his training session. But he looks fine to me as of now. So hopefully, he'll be ready to take the field tomorrow.